Hi, are you looking for a property and are too tired to do physical site visits? Well, you've landed at the right place. This is Property Cloud, your favorite online PropTech service. What exactly is a PropTech service? A PropTech service is the place where you can do virtual site visits. Now, what are virtual site visits? Virtual site visits are something wherein what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you to the property right over here on your mobile screen, on your computer screen, and also I'm going to show you the whole property. I'll also show you the sample flat if it is ready, and I'll show you all the details. I'll tell you where it is located. I'll tell you everything about the property right over here at the convenience of a house. And then once you like the property, then I'll also provide you with a free pickup and drop service with your own dedicated relationship manager. And then you will do the physical site visits once you have shortlisted the properties that you have liked over here on Property Cloud. अब इसके बाद what we do is that we connect you directly to the developer so that there are no middlemen involved, and then there is also no brokerage involved. So you also get to see your favorite home on your computer screen. You get to decide your dream home. You get to buy it, go through the whole booking process and everything. Absolutely zero brokerage at the convenience of your time and the convenience of your house. Now, all of this, if this is not enough, then let me tell you something more about Property Cloud, but I'm going to tell that to you at the end of this video. First of all, let me tell you where we have come today. Let's go. And here I am at this beautifully Spanish-themed El Dorado by Brigade. And we all know the location of this property, but more importantly is that the whole property has been designed in a Spanish theme, and they also have something that's Japanese. Now, what exactly am I talking to you about? Let me tell you. First of all, let me take you to the project. That is, let me show you the project 3D model where I'll tell you everything that you need to know about the project. Let's go. Now, this project is located in Devanahalli and Bagalur. Basically, it is very close to BK Halli Road, and from here, Reva University is very close by, and also Financial City is also very close. Now, this is a completely integrated township. So, despite having educational institutes and hospitals in the nearby vicinity, everything is available right inside the township. Now, this is an integrated township. That means it's completely planned with the roads, with the water availability, with electricity, and everything is right inside the township. There is going to be also a St. John's multi-speciality hospital right inside your township. And there are going to be schools and colleges and multiplexes and malls and a lot more. Now, what exactly is lot more? It's right behind me over here. Come closer. Let's take a look at it. So there are going to be a total 12 towers in this 50-acre property, and there are going to be 2.5 and 3 BHK beautiful residential apartments in these towers. All of the towers are currently sold off. The last tower is about to get sold. And now let me tell you about the amenities. This is the grand clubhouse that you can see at the entrance. There is a cricket ground, there is kids play area, there is a tennis court, there is a football court, there is a basketball court, there is badminton, there is gymnasiums, multi-purpose hall, gardens, and also basement parkings. Now let me show you the tower that is about to get sold off, and that's the place where I'm going to show you the model flat also, which is available. So this is the tower that's available, Dioro, and it has 2.5 and 3 BHK apartments. But what is more interesting is something that is right next to it, and that is this blue patch that you can see. Now, this is a Japanese-themed man-made lake which has these Maiko gardens, that is the forest which is right next to it, and this is very useful for rainwater harvesting. And right next to it is the future development, that is the upcoming towers. And this area is going to have the hospital and the retail or the commercial outputs over here. It's going to be the cluster B. And this is yet another model of the same thing what I just showed you. There's also a list of amenities that you can quickly take a look at, because very quickly I'm going to show you they are most premium, most beautiful and most comfortable. The 3 BHK comfort model flat. Stay with me. Let's go right now. 1,382 square feet, comfort 3 BHK. As I promised you, it's a very comfortable home. You've already taken a quick glimpse at it. I already know that, but now I'm going to show you the house in detail. This is your living and dining area. which is so spacious and yet so comfortable and yet so cozy, right? Now another thing that's really cozy is this balcony, which is of approximately 10.6 by 3.6 square feet, and this balcony also comes with this beautiful iron railing, and also it's covered from the other side. Let's go and take a closer look at the balcony. And here we are inside the kitchen of the house. Now this kitchen has been made strategically very well. It has two work tables over here. One work table ends at your vegetable and utensil sink, and this is your work table. Along with that, there is some extra provision over here for your washing machines and dishwashers also. So this can be your dry utility area. It comes with a pretty big window so that there is good ventilation, and the kitchen is also very well lit. Now let's take a look at the rest of the house. From the living and the dining, right over here into the common area and the bedrooms, let's take a look at these. Now this common area over here is also kept pretty spacious, and they've kept space over here. You can keep a storage unit as well over here. And here is your common bathroom, which is of approximately 5 by 8 square feet. It comes with anti-skid flooring and wall-to-wall vitrified tiles and CP sanitary fittings as well. And this bedroom over here is of approximately 11.5 by 9.10 square feet. And it is pretty spacious, and it also comes with a window so that the room stays well ventilated and well lit at all times. And here I am entering into the next bedroom of the house. Now this bedroom also comes with the similar kind of a window. One thing that's special about this window is that half of it is a fixed window and half of it is a sliding one. Because of this one, there is enough lighting in the room, and because of the sliding window, the room stays well ventilated all the time. Along with that, the windows also come with this special protection for mosquitoes. So I guess it's time for us to now take a look at the master bedroom of the house. Now intentionally, the master bedroom has been placed right on one corner of the house. So the common bedroom's on one part and the master bedroom over here. Once again, before you enter the master bedroom, you should take a look at the flooring. How beautifully they have changed the flooring into a wooden finished ceramic flooring right over here. And because it is the master bedroom, of course, it should have an attached toilet and bath to it. Let's take a look at this one. This is of approximately 8 by 5 square feet. And by the time I'm closing this window that I just told you about, which also comes half fixed and half sliding, let me also tell you that I am now going to tell you how can you close the booking process for this particular apartment. How can you decide if it is this the house that you want to buy, or is it someone else? Well, I'm going to tell you very soon, and all of that is going to happen right over here, right now. Stay tuned. Now that you've seen the property and you have come back over here, I am sure that's because you need to know how to go ahead with the booking process. Just a second, I'm going to tell you. It's very simple. If you can see the caption, in the caption there is a link mentioned. All you need to do is simply click on the link and we will guide you through the rest of the process. How? Well, our salesperson will get in touch with you immediately and then help you do a physical site visit of the property with a free cab service. And then not just one, you can also visit multiple properties in one day so that you don't have to waste your time. Now this is Bengaluru and we know the traffic, so we don't want to waste your time. We don't want to waste your energy. In fact, we want you to buy your house at ease, simply, and without any brokerage also. So that's what we are here for. Property Cloud is at your service. All you need to do is simply click on the link below, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more such beautiful properties. Thank you.